Today with some tech news. iOS 12.1 arrives today, October 30th. Some features include group FaceTime, which will allow for up to 32 people to chat at the same time. There will be support for dual SIM, which is going to be available with this update for iPhones XS, XS Max, and XR models. Depth of field will also have a little extra control while taking the photo. Along with iOS 12.1, Apple is introducing the iPad Pro 2018. There are a few changes. One is the removal of the Lightning port in favor of USB-C, which is definitely great because many phones are currently using this technology, and it is actually included in most computers now. It comes with 1 TB of storage on board already, and there will be a keyboard that can connect to the iPad. A little bit of Android news. The Oneplus 6T will be out on November 1st, and it will be available to purchase from T-Mobile. This version brings us a much smaller teardrop-shaped notch, which is going to be a lot better for most people because that huge notch on the Google Pixel, a little bit too much. It will ship with your typical 845 chipset, and it will come with Android Pie. A small incremental upgrade, but there will be a much larger, well, I would consider much larger battery, which will be at 3700 versus 3300 milliamps. The 6T also is going to come in 2 different versions, a 6 and a 8 gig. The 6 gig is going to have 128 gigabytes of storage, while the 8 gigabyte of RAM version comes with 256 gigs of storage. Pricing will start at $549, and for the most expensive one, it'll be $629. You can also get the phone at as much as 50% off at T-Mobile depending on your trade-in. The phone will also be capable of working on AT&T and can also work on Verizon, but not on Sprint. For those who have the Razr Phone 2, it is now certified to work on the Verizon network, so it was an issue for some people, but now things will work all good with 4G and all with the phone because it has been 100% certified through Verizon. Google Night Sight is to soon be released on the Pixel phones. The new mode will make night pictures brighter, clearer, sharper, and seems to improve the yellowish color in pictures at night with the Pixel phones. Some people have had some issues with it not working because it's currently unstable, but it may be released in the future on some other phones. So just kind of look at the website, pay attention, and look for your phone on it. That is all the news I have. Take it easy, everyone. Later.